Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the inheritance in Python. What is the definition of inheritance, how it works, and which are the types of inheritance. In this session, we are going to discuss the what is simple inheritance, how this simple inheritance or single inheritance implemented in the Python. So as we discussed, in the single inheritance, consider the two classes. One is called as a parent and second one is called as a child class. So child class can acquires the properties of parent class. So in Python, we use the following general syntax to create a child class from a parent class. So what is the syntax to create the simple inheritance in Python? The syntax contains the class keyword class, then we have to write the child class name, and in bracket in parentheses we have to add the name of parent class, then we have to use the colon operator, and the how child class implementation. In this type of inheritance, one child class derives from one parent class. Look at the following example. We will understand the concept of implementation of the simple inheritance in Python. Look at this example. Here, as I told here, I declared the class keyword to create a class. This procedure already you knows how to create the class. So we have to create the class, we have to use the class keyword, then we return the name of class, that is the parent class. In this class we return one method, that method is called as a feature_1. And how this method or function is defined in Python? By using the def keyword. So def is a keyword and feature_1 is a method. In this method we are just writing one print statement, and this print statement simply prints the message feature_1 from the parent class is running. Then in the same parent class we are declaring the another method or function with the help of def keyword. That name of this function is feature2. The name of this function is feature2, and here in this def function also we are writing one statement, print feature2 from parent class is running. Then we are creating the child class. In the previous slide we seen how to declare the inheritance in the Python. Class keyword, then child class name, and in parenthesis parent class name. So in this example we used here class keyword. The name of the child class is written as a child class, and in parenthesis we return the parent class which is already declared. Okay, and in this child class, we are defining one method that is called as a feature3, and here we are printing the message feature3 from child class is running. Here we are creating the object obj, and this is the object of child class only. This is the syntax: object is equal to child class, and we are calling the methods of this child class as well as this parent class. See here, obj dot feature_1, it is a method of parent class. Obj dot feature2, this is the method of parent class, and obj feature3, this is the method of child class. So listen carefully. Here we created object of child class, and using this object we can able to access the properties or methods of this parent class. So this is the concept of our this is the concept of single inheritance in Python. When we execute this code, what will be the output? So this output, this calls this function, so it shows the output feature1 from parent class, then it shows the output feature2 from parent class, and at last it shows the statement feature3 from the child class is running. Thank you.